Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new series on Next.js for beginners. In this series, we will learn all the backend concepts of Next.js. Basically, we will focus on Next.js version 14. In this introductory video, we will briefly talk about four things. What is Next.js Backend? Next.js is primarily known as a React framework for building web applications, but it can also be used to create backend functionality. While Next.js is primarily designed as a front-end framework, it allows you to add server-side functionality through its API route features. What can you do with the Next.js backend? API routes in Next.js provide a way to create server-side endpoints that can handle different HTTP requests. You can define API routes in app/API directory of your Next.js project. Each route.js file in this directory becomes an endpoint that can handle different HTTP methods such as get, post, delete, fetch, etc. Why should you not use the Next.js backend? It is important to note that while Next.js backend capabilities are powerful, it might not be the best choice for extremely complex backend scenarios. In such cases, you might consider using dedicated backend frameworks like Express or Nest. What we will get in this playlist. In this playlist, we will cover all the backend features of Next.js 14. API route, get, post, delete and a page, dynamic route handlers, URL query parameters, redirect in route handlers, middleware, cookies and caching in the route handlers, and a lot of more. In the next video, we will learn how to connect Next.js with MongoDB. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more Next.js content.